Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be trying and reviewing this new brow pencil from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Sorry about the lighting, it's like really bad, but it is inside of here. It literally just got here and I'm about to do my brows. I did lightly fill in my brows with my favorite brow pencil and I'll get into that in a second, but I am going to wipe this off and use this new Fenty Beauty one. So if you've been subscribed to me for a while, or you might just be able to tell, I do not wear much makeup at all. The most you will see me use or do to my face is fill in my brows, wear some mascara, and add a little bit of highlights. But other than that, oh, and I wear gloss, but I only wear clear. Like I don't wear any type of colored gloss or anything. So I'm just not big on makeup. I don't know, like I don't feel like I really need it and it's just not really my thing. But anyways, even though I don't wear a lot of makeup, when I saw that Rihanna was coming out with this brow pencil, y'all know, like I feel like my brows is one of the like popular things that people notice about me besides my hair. So of course I had to get this. This is the, I think it has like it's their Brow MVP brow pencil, and I got it in the color dark brown. They did have like a bunch of shade ranges, y'all, my bad. And then this is just what it looks like out of the packaging. I'm so sorry about this lighting, like hold up. You still can't really even see it. It's okay. But it says Fenty Beauty. On this end is the brow brush, which I thought was really, really different. I'm going to have to see how this actually works on my brow. Because I'm used to like the spoolie, but this was really cool and different. And then this side is the brow pencil, of course. And it's a twist up, so that's, you know, what I'm used to. So let me untwist that. So this brow pencil does retail for $20, which is another big reason why I wanted to try it, because y'all, I don't know about you, but I feel like brow pencils that come with the little stick do not last me long at all. I am constantly getting new brow pencils all the time, and I keep some on deck because I just don't be having time. And if you're anything like me, sometimes I just don't even pay attention and I end up breaking it. I don't even know how I'd be doing it. So for this thing to be $20, I was just like, this better be worth it, because I do use the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and this is what it looks like. I use this in neutral brown, and it has a spoolie at the end, and then the same twist thing like the Fenty Beauty. This is $5, you guys. This is my holy grail. So if you haven't seen my brow tutorial, or my most recent one, I'll put it down below. I did recently just post my brow tutorial on Instagram if you missed it as well. But yeah, this is $5 from e.l.f. So to go from $5 from e.l.f. to $20 to Fenty, I was like, I love you, Rihanna, so I gotta see if this is worth it. So I am just going to stop talking now and pretty much just do my brows with this, and then I'll let you know what I think about it. So first, I just went ahead and wiped off the brow pencil I had used earlier on my brows so that I could have a fresh base and use this Fenty Beauty brow pencil. And I started with the brush, which was really, really soft, and I just brushed my brows in place how I wanted, and then I began using the brow pencil to lightly line the bottom of my brow, and then I started to fill it in along the way. And I like to use the brush to, you know, kind of just help blend in and make sure that, you know, the brow just looks nice and good. Once I feel like my brow is looking how I want and the shape I want, I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer just to clean it up and make it look nice and sharp. And this is in the color medium, and you can get this at any drugstore. So I just like to line my brow really nicely. It just makes it look like it's, I don't know, like a fresh wax or something, like you'll just see. And once I have it lined the way I want, I just remove that concealer with a Q-tip. I don't blend it or anything. I don't wear makeup, so I don't really feel like I need to blend it out. I just wipe it completely off, and then I just repeated that to the other brow. So now I am just doing the exact same thing to the other brow, and this is my ugly brow, so sometimes it does not come out the exact same as the other side. I just try my best, but the keys to getting like really nice brows that don't look like freaking Sharpie brows is to not overfill. So just pay attention as you are, you know, filling in your brows. Start off lightly and then build up to, you know, the color that you want. Also, I don't like to fill too much in the front because I just like to leave the hairs, you know, looking a bit natural. So just some tips. Alright you guys, so my brows are done and I really like how they came out. Like, this is what I'm used to when I do my brows, and this pencil is, it's good. Like, I honestly was like, $20, this better be good, but it really is. I really like this little brush at the end. I honestly, when I first saw it, I was like, okay, why would they put this type of brush? I know they're trying to be different and whatever, but I just didn't think it would really work when it comes to like brushing my hairs. And I also like to use, you know, usually it's a spoolie, but I do like to use the brush part of my brow pencils because it helps to really just blend out your brow pencil when you're doing your brows. So I really did like this, and it's super duper soft, so really like that. As far as the pencil itself, y'all can see it's good. So there's only one like small thing I noticed when it came to this brow pencil. I had to like keep on going over the same parts like a lot, or I had to press it really hard to darken it, which I did end up breaking a small piece because I was I guess applying too much pressure. That would be the only thing. I did get dark brown, and it's a nice brown once you you know, apply a good amount of the brow pencil onto your brows. But I might see if they have like a tad bit darker. I know they have a nice range of shades, so I don't know which one is next above this brown one, the dark brown, but I might try to go up one shade just so that I don't have to do that. But we'll see. I don't know. I really like this, so I might just go ahead and stick with it. But long story short, y'all, definitely I do feel like $20 is worth it. Like, it's Fenty Beauty, okay? Like, sometimes you can't be cheap. Fenty Beauty, Rihanna, she's made a big name for herself and her products, so I feel like she has the right to name this or make this $20, and it works. So if you are willing to spend the $20, I definitely would recommend it. But again, like I've said, my number one has been this e.l.f. brow pencil, which is $5. So if you can't afford it, then definitely try this one out. But yeah, that is my little review. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully some of you guys learned or just got to see how I do my brows, and that is about it. So if you like this, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.